Are you looking for the best artificial grass in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best artificial grass that are available on the market. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. We have the Golden Moon All-Green Artificial Grass. This artificial grass is one of the best for small spaces. It is a rug of the synthetic turf that makes a great decoration for both inside and outside of the home, including the garden. This artificial turf is made from high-quality anti-aging particles that are designed to remain fresh and colorful all year long. This outdoor artificial turf rug has a stunning natural appearance, and the pile height is very low, making it easy to maintain and keep clean. This artificial grass product looks like natural grass but is low maintenance as it does not require water or mowing to keep in a quality, fresh state. This turf can be cut to fit your specific needs, whether that is the whole lawn or smaller areas of the home. The grass blades are a natural spring green color, and they are soft to the touch, making them comfortable for all the family to enjoy. This is one of the most versatile artificial grass products as it can be used outdoors or inside as unique carpeting for children's playrooms and more. This artificial turf has a realistic appearance, soft grass blades, and is highly versatile as it can be used both in or outside of the home. Moving on at number 4. We have the Realistic Artificial Turf Rug. This realistic artificial grass product is designed for pet owners, whether you are potty training them or want a low-maintenance solution to a clean yard. This grass artificial turf can be installed in various areas with ease, including pet playing spaces, around the yard or patio, as well as around the swimming pool to prevent mud and water from being trailed around your yard and getting into your home. The synthetic grass feels soft, making it safe and suitable for pets. It is made from high-quality materials that are suitable for all weather conditions. These artificial grass products have a rubber backing with drainage holes, making it easy to clean without much effort. This fake grass is low maintenance, making it easy to clean away pet waste and debris. It has a natural green color, making it look brilliant in all gardens and seasons. These synthetic grasses are made to a professional standard and are very durable, making it long-lasting and a good investment. This synthetic turf artificial grass is ideal for pet owners, and it can be used for potty training as it has water drainage holes in the base for easy cleaning. At number 3. We have the RoundLove Artificial Grass Turf. This realistic artificial grass product is designed to be dense, lush, and heavy-duty, ensuring it will last a long time. It has a 4-tone pattern to make it look realistic and is designed to simulate fresh spring grass with yellow and green tones. This artificial grass is both fire and UV resistant, making it suitable and safe all year long. It is guaranteed not to fade, and it is very easy to maintain as it requires no mowing, trimming, or any other kind of treatment bar cleaning. This artificial grass has a special blade design that will stand upright without any infill, making it easy to install into your garden. It is a subtle, hard touch, just like the real thing, making it comfortable. The premium latex backing has drain holes, making it effortless to water and rinse away any debris for a continuously fresh look. This synthetic grass does not shed easily, and the turf will remain thick even after years of use. This premium artificial grass is high quality, dense, and lush with 4-blade tones and UV-resistant materials. At number 2. We have the Lita 7 feet by 13 feet Realistic Deluxe Artificial Grass. This artificial grass is great as it has been made to a high quality. The blades come in 4 different shades to replicate natural grass, and they are a good height. This premium artificial grass is durable and high quality using materials that have been tested to withstand all weather conditions. The grass is UV resistant, and the color will not fade in the summer, so it will look brilliant all year long. This artificial grass is designed to last for years. This synthetic grass product is made from high-quality synthetic that is non-toxic, making it safe for all the family. The blades are soft, lush, and have natural-looking thatch, so no one has to know that you're using fake grass. This artificial grass is low maintenance as it does not require mowing, trimming, or watering. It can be easily cleaned using a brush or hose to remove debris throughout the changing seasons. It is very easy to install as infilling is optional, but recommended. And finally at number 1. We have the SavvyGrow artificial grass. This artificial grass is designed to look like real grass and has natural-looking lushness that will remain this way all year long. It has 4 realistic tones, and the blades stand upright without any kind of filler. This fake grass is made with fade-resistant colors so it will remain fresh and bright all year long. This grass is also UV, fire, and corrosion resistant and can withstand all weather conditions, including sun, rain, and even snow. This artificial grass product is designed to be easy to clean and is low maintenance, making it suitable for various different homes. The backing has draining holes that can make hosing any kind of debris and dirt, including pet waste, easy and quick. This fake grass doesn't require any mowing or trimming and will look good all year long. The rubber backing is non-slip, making it easy to install in your garden. This product doesn't need any tools and can simply be cut to size. This artificial grass has natural-looking blades of 4 different colors and is easy to install with the non-slip rubber backing. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.